Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to European Rundown for today, Wednesday 13th of April. We've just gone through 10:30 now here in London, so a quick look around the markets and a bit of general retracements for some of the moves that we saw yesterday as UK and European equity markets are in positive territory, which has weighed in fixed income. That started off over in Asia, where the Nikkei finished up around 0.9%. TEPCO was a big gainer. They have seen a lot of volatility given the recent developments of that nuclear situation. That was after reports that they may not have to foot the entire bill for any restructuring going forward. In terms of actual specific equity news, Alcatel-Lucent, they're a significant mover to the upside today in France. They're currently trading up over the 5% margin after a positive broker upgrade out of Morgan Stanley analyst pre-market today. Looking in terms of elsewhere, some of the news flow, we've seen some minor widening in the peripheral spreads, in particular that of Portugal and Greece. In terms of the Greek domestic 10-year bond yield, that's up around record levels, ever approaching that key 13% mark. In terms of some of the comments we've seen, we've had an S&P analyst in German press speculating there's a 1 in 3 chance of debt restructuring that will take place in Greece. However, Papa Constantino, the finance minister, has been pretty quick on the wires to say that that is not on the agenda in terms of debt restructuring. Looking forward then, in terms of what we're looking out for today, one of the key things will be the corporate earnings today from the first big major investment bank in the US, that is JP Morgan and Chase. They're due to report at 12 o'clock London time, so 7 in New York. We're looking at a headline EPS figure of around 115 on the street's consensus, with whisper numbers early doors around a 122 print. Other than that, looking ahead, advanced retail sales report, that's the main thing from the US, and in terms of ECB commentary, got quite a few members to speak later in the day, as well as a 10-year note sale from the Treasury this evening. That concludes the opening wrap though from me, so I'll give another update at the cash equity close, but for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.